Dear students, today we are going to see in 8th standard GK I Love My India rapid fire round in page number 20. Only one state shares a boundary with Sikkim. Which one? Assam, Bihar, West Bengal, Nagaland. The answer is West Bengal. Next one, in Bengal, where did the English East India Company set up its base? Fort William. Then, which union territory amongst these is the least densely populated? It is Andaman Nicobar Highlands. Which city in India got the first metro rail? It is Kolkata. Next one, coming to true or false, Srirangapattinam, Tipu Sultan's capital, is in Karnataka. True. The first month of India's national calendar in Vaishakha is false. First Satyagraha movement was launched in 1917 at Champaran. True. Then, Kundankari is the name of the famous enamel work from Gangtok. False. Fill in the blanks. We can choose from the box the answers. The railway station at the highest altitude in India is in the Darjeeling Himalaya Hill region of West Bengal. The name of the station is Goom. Next one. The Baba Atomic Research Center is located in Trombay. The first Lok Sabha was constituted in 1952. Its speaker was G. V. Mavalanga. This is the continuous of the first 19 pages. Now, we can continue with the next session around the world. By seeing the flag, we are going to identify the country's name. The first one is here, New Zealand. Second one, by seeing this flag, we can identify this flag is related to Kuwait. Now, third one is here, Grenada. Then, fourth flag resembles Colombia. Fifth flag is Madagascar. Sixth one is Senegal. Next is here Costa Rica. And eighth one is Yemen. Understand, ma? By seeing these flags, we have to write the country's name in the given box. Do you know the Republic of South Africa holds the Guinness record for the most number of official language is 11. Next, write the names of the above countries under one of these 4 languages such that the language is one of the official language of that nation. English is a language for Grenada and New Zealand. Spanish is for Colombia and Costa Rica. And Arabic is Kuwait and Yemen. French is Senegal and Madagascar. And move to page number 23. Here we are going to fill the missing boxes, and also we are going to write the 2 things that which country reminds you of. So the cockpit of Europe is Belgium. And this is famous for chocolate and Tintin. Next one is here, Gift of Nile is Egypt, and it's famous for pyramids and river Nile. Next, Playground of Europe is Switzerland. And the famous item is cheese and watches. Next, land of the rising sun is Japan and famous for Mount Fuji and sushi. Next, land of golden fleece is Australia and is famous for Sydney Harbour and kangaroo. Next, land of silver is Argentina and the nickname for this which reminds the country is football and Jaqua Falls. So most of the countries of the world have some nicknames. So very often they are referred to by these nicknames. By using the chocolate, Tintin is famous for the country is Belgium. The word kangaroo, which reminds you the country Australia. Moving to rapid fire round given in page number 26. The longest mountain range in the world is the Andes. The ancient trade route between China and the West was known as Silk Route. A form of visual art developed in the early 20th century by Pablo Picasso is called Gibson. In which country does Nokia have its headquarters is Finland. Coming to true or false, the first modern color film was developed by the Eastman Kodak Company. Yes, it is true. Seals are found only in Antarctica. No, false. The Japanese word samurai means a professional warrior. True. Then, Vienna, the capital of Austria, is situated on the banks of river Danube. True. Now, fill in the blanks. The largest and the fastest moving glacier in the world is in Antarctica. It is called the Dash Glacier. It is Lambert Glacier. Next one, 1971, that's why the Soviet Union launched the first space station to orbit the land. It was called Salyut 1. Then the Angkor Wat was built by the Khmer ruler. Yes, is Suryavarman II. Then the 2014 Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to Malala Yousafzai and Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi. Yes, ma. Next we are going to see about signs around us. So in this page number 27, we are going to see about the inventors and the discoveries. So by reading the clues given in the box, we are going to identify the inventors or the discoverers by reading the clues. Okay, ma. This first one is the given clue is the French chemist and the microbiologist lived in 19th century. He discovered that the microorganisms cause fermentation and diseases. He developed vaccines for anthrax and rabies. That inventor name is Louis Pasteur. Second one, he was a British inventor, a chemist and a philosopher who contributed to the discovery of chlorine and iodine. In 1815, he invented a safety lamp for coal miners. Name of that inventor is Humphrey Davy. Third given clue, this Siberian American inventor pioneered some of world's most amazing inventions. He invented the alternate current, that is AC electric motor. The inventor name is Nikola Tesla. Okay. Coming to fourth clue given in the book, page number 27. This American physician and the medical researcher discovered and developed the first safe and effective polio vaccine in 1955, at a time when Americans feared polio as much as the atomic bomb. So the inventor name, is it Jonas Salk? Next, a Swiss biologist and a physician, he discovered DNA in white blood cells. He named that substance nuclein. Question number 5 is Friedrich Miescher. Next one. This German physicist discovered X-rays. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1901 for the path-breaking inventions. So, the answer is Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. Next clue is this physicist, astronomer and the mathematician was born in 1564 in Pisa, that is Italy. He invented the thermometer and developed the telescope. He also proponed the law of pendulum. The inventor name is very famous inventor. Easily you can identify Galileo Galilei. Understand? Yes. Let's move to next science around us, mathematics in nature, that is honeycomb conjecture. You just read out this page number 28 and 29. Yes, you will come to know about the bees, which given in this page briefly. Let's move to the rapid fire round of science around us, page number 31. Which property gives the drop of water its spherical shape is surface tension. The name of the technique designed to extract natural gas and oil from rock is fracking. What is the term for the printed document as opposed to an electronic document is dead tree version. What does DNA stand for is deoxyribonucleic acid. Next one is a true or false. There are 4 dwarf planets in our solar system. No, false. Plaster of Paris is made by heating of gypsum. Yes, ma, it is true. Virus which attack our computers stands for Vital Information Resource under SIGI. True, very well you know about the computer virus. Bluetooth of wireless form of communication was named after a Danish king. True. Next one, fill in the blanks by choose from the box. Another name of vitamin B1 is thiamine. The main gas of LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas, is butane. A computer technology that is used to design things as furniture, vehicles and buildings is called CAD. All parts of the computer such as CPU, memory, hard drive, sound card, etc. are connected together by the motherboard. In this session, we see in the pages from page number 2231. Kindly note down the answers in your book itself. You must know about the science around us, about the inventors and discoverers, and about the world we seen in this session. Thank you, students.